In today's video, I will be showing you how to do a quick search here in Google Sheets. So if you're working with a big set of data and you're trying to look for something specific, this quick search will definitely help you find that. And what you're going to do would be to go to your keyboard and press the keys Control or Command and F. If you do that, there you have it. This search bar will pop down on the top right corner where it will say Find in Sheet. So here is the place where we can put our keyword, and next to that would be the results if we have any matches within our spreadsheet. And these arrow downs will navigate where those results are. Let's go ahead and put in the keyword of whatever it is that you're looking for. Let's say we're looking for a movie that has the word red in it. So I'm just going to type in red right here. As soon as I've stopped typing, we have at least 6 matches with the word red within our spreadsheet. So again, in this part right here, it will show you how many matches we had with that keyword. And with our arrows pointing up and down, again, this will navigate us to those results. So the first one would be this one right here. So we have red 2, red dawn, and red tails. So at least I think that's 3 results. So if we click on the arrow down, there you go. It will highlight which of these results it is pointing to. We have this one, red dawn. Next one, red tails. If we keep on clicking on that arrow down, here we have it. We have the 100-foot journey. So it does have the letters RED in it. Next one would be the Incredible Burt Wonderstone. Again, we have the RED in Incredible. And the last match would be the Raid Redemption. And again, we have the letters RED in the word redemption. Now, if I put in a space right here, there you have it. It will narrow down our results to this 3 right here. So we have the first one, which is red 2, red dawn, and red tails. So that's how you can quickly search with this tool right here. Let's try that again with another keyword. Let's find a specific name. So I want to search for movies directed by this person. Let's put in his name. His name is Michael Bay. There you have it. We have 2 results or 2 matches with that search key. We have the first one right here, which is with the movie 13 Hours, The Secret Soldiers of Benghazi. And the second match would be if we click on the arrow down. There we have it. Another action movie, which is entitled Pain and Gain. And that's how quickly you can search for something specific within your large sets of data here in Google Sheets with a quick press of the keys Control or Command F on your keyboard. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.